Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Mizuko and I'm a math instructor for the math department. And in this video you will learn about the math class options you have for next semester. Even though you have not completed your current math course, you can still sign up for the next math class so that you get the time slot you want, and it will help with staffing enough classes when students sign up early. If you are currently in Math 120, 121, 122, or 126 right now, you are most likely taking this class because your major is considered STEM. That means there may be more science, technology, engineering, and math needed for your degree. If you've recently changed your major and have not met with an advisor, it is recommended that you do so to make sure you are on the correct path for math classes. So here are the math classes most of us will take next. You will notice that each of these classes differ by how many credits it's worth. All three of these classes learn the same math, but what's different is how much time they're in class for. So a student that signs up for Math 151, it is 4 credits. Think of each credit as 16 hours about of class time to practice and review. So a student who signs up for Math 150, since it's one more credit, you're going to receive 16 more hours of time in class than someone who signs up for Math 151. Likewise, a student who signs up for Math 156, since it's 6 credits, are going to receive 32 extra hours of math help and review compared to students who are in Math 151, and 16 more hours of math help compared to students who sign up for Math 150. So again, that's the difference. That's what different credits mean. It means the less credits a class is worth, the less time you are going to class, and that means less time to practice and review and less time you're seeing your instructor. So if you're wondering what type of math this class is, it's college algebra, and it's a continuation of the type of math you learned in the Math 1-2 level. So whether you're in 120, 121, 122, etc., same class, it's an extension from that class. So for example, 3 examples here I have is you'll learn how to find the vertical, horizontal, or oblique asymptotes for rational functions. You'll learn how to graph a rational function. You'll learn how to write polynomial functions. For example, find a 4th degree polynomial with real coefficients having zeros 3, -4, and 2 minus I. So that's what's in the Math 1-5 level. So again, most of us are going to pick Math 156, Math 150, or Math 151, depending on how much time we want in the classroom. Now there is another option, and it's called Math 187. It is not recommended for most of us because it is very fast-paced. And what it does is it combines 2 math classes in one. So just to make sure we understand, most people will take Math 150 and it's 5 credits. Then, after you take this class, you then take the next semester Math 182, which is 3 credits, and it's called Trig. So most people are going to take this for 5 credits, or maybe 4 or 6, and then 3 credits of Trig for a total of, let's say, about 8 credits. This class, however, is 5 credits and covers both of these math classes, the Math 1-5 level and the Math 182. So even though it's not recommended for most people because of the speed, you have to have a lot of time to learn, do extra examples on your own, they make a requirement of don't even try it unless you have an A or a B from the class before, which is Math 120, 121, or 122. So if you have a C in Math 120, 121, or 122, then you don't even qualify. If you have an A or B, it doesn't mean it's the best option, but you qualify. So that's our fast option. Now, some students who want to speed up their classes to get done earlier, instead of taking Math 187, which combines two classes, they take both classes. So they will sign up for two separate math classes. So they register for both. It's a lot more homework because you have homework from two different math classes. You're taking two math classes instead of this class, which is just one that would cover both math classes in 5 credits. So this option, again, isn't recommended because it is a lot of math homework, but you're at least getting more credits for it and you're completing it with more time. You might have 2 different instructors for those classes, but that's also another option, is to enroll in both those math classes in one semester. That would be allowed, but again, a lot of math homework. Lastly, MCC has a class called Math 108. This class can be taken 5 times by any student enrolled in Math 081 through Math 156. It's a late start class and is worth 2 credits. Think of it like a math study hall. Students come, work on their math homework, and get help. So if you're interested in adding that to your schedule, it is called Math 108.